Step 1. Disconnect the power cables of both motors, the brake tail light, and the power cables of the two RGB light strips. If your Hussar board also has front lights installed, disconnect their power cables as well. Step 2. Remove the grip tape from the deck. Step 3. Remove the screws on the deck to separate the battery enclosure from the board. Step 4. Unscrew the screws of the ESC. Disconnect the cables connecting the ESC to the brake tail light and the ESC to the power button. Step 5. Unscrew the screws of the ceiling pad cover plate. Then remove the ceiling pad cover plate and the ceiling pad. Step 6. Before removing the power button, clean the adhesive around it using a tool such as a small knife or scissors. Then, use a 19mm wrench to remove the power button nut and take it off. Step 7. Replace it with a new power button. Tighten the nut. Make sure the cable can reach the connector at the ESC side. Step 8. Follow the sequence from the instructional video to install the ceiling rubber pad and ceiling pad plate, and tighten the screws. Step 9. Reconnect the cables connecting the ESC to the brake tail light and the ESC to the power button. Tighten the screws of the ESC. Step 10. Use screws to secure the battery enclosure under the deck. Step 11. Reconnect the power cables to their respective components.